Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to find an element available in an array. Also we are going to see how to find that element index. Alright, now in this video we are going to focus on a string array. So that I will go ahead and say let string array like that, and I will set that equals to square brackets. Inside this we can pass in some names: John, Michael, Adam, Farhan, like that. Now firstly I want to find this Michael element. For that, in the viewDit dot we can go ahead and use if, and then we have to call for this variable name here, which is string array, and we have to say dot contains. Right, now inside parentheses we have to pass in what is the element, otherwise the content of the element. Here in this case we want to find the Michael. Remember, you have to type the element content as it is, otherwise it will not found. Then if this found, we can go ahead and put braces and go ahead and say print found the element. Now in the else statement we can say item not found or element not found. Firstly let's go ahead and run that, and secondly we can find that element index. You know, in arrays we are counting from 0 up to the last element, 0 1 2 3. In this case the first array element means index number is 0. This one is the second element, but the index number of this array is 1. Right, now found the element. Now how we can found the index of it? To found the index of it, we can go ahead and create a new variable, let index, no, like that, and I will set this equals to string array. That means the variable name of that array dot first index, and then inside parentheses we have to pass in the parameter type as the of. We have to say this because there was another one where like that, then we have to say of. Now inside this we have to pass in that content again, which is Michael. Now this should give us the index number of it. We can print it. Now it gives the number from to the left side to the right side. Now it gave us the index number as 1. That's correct. This is 0 and this is 1. But here it gave us optional, because we have to say here this exclamation here it gave us the index number as 1. That's correct. Here Michael is in the index number of 1. This is index number 0, this is index number 1, this is index number 2, and finally index number 3. Now it gave us optional. What is it? We have to say this is not optional, because here in the if statement we are checking firstly whether that element is available or not. Then we can simply say exclamation mark here, then it will skip that. Alright, now we have our index as 1. Now that's it for this lecture, and I'll see in the next lecture. Thank you.